Hey guys, how's it going? It's Charlie here with Filter Choice, and today we're going to learn how to change out HF25-S out of the ICE125-S system. So here, let's do it. So what we're going to do is just hold the head and hold the base of the filter and then twist left until you hear a little click and you can pop down. Real easy. And here's the filter, and the best way to put it back in, same way. The sanitary quick disconnect actually is also a sanitary quick connect. So we just stick it in, wait for the notches to align, and then hold up, and then turn right. Then there you have yourselves a new filter, and it'll be ready to go for another 6 months. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.